Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. O kuya, siya naman na magtutur sa amin sa Cebu.
Yo!
Cebu City.
For our mountain tour.
Saan ang una nating ano,
Dito.
kuya?
Sirao Garden.
Sirao Garden. O yan.
And to
Excited na kami makita ang
Yung
mga magagandang ano
Temple of
dito.
Olopia. Tapos
Yes.
yung Little Kyoto.
Little Kyoto. Yan,
Parang
excited na.
nasa ano kayo? Parang nasa Japan.
Japan.
Wow. Oh guys, are you happy? Excited?
Yes, we are!
Alright, let's go! Ayun, ang first gala natin ay dito sa Sirao Garden. I-expect nyo na ang crowd, and patience is a virtue if you want to have a picture with the famous golden hand. Ay, magpipicture. Teka lang po. Nakaka-amaze kung paano nila ng landscape ng maganda ang mga halaman at flowers. Talagang mag-i-enjoy ka sa lugar na ito. Pero mag-ingat lang sa mga dadaanan. Pwede kang matalapid.
Sirao Garden!
Next stop, ang Little Kyoto. Parang Little Japan. Dito, picturean ko kayo. We are here at Little Kyoto.
Kami naman sabi sa picture. Tatawid ako. Kasi kami muna.
Mas maganda pala dito sa Japan. So welcome to Little Kyoto, Japan! Dos, hi! Say hi! O, dyan kayo. Yes, Sachiko's Little Kyoto is located in Babag after Busai, the newest attraction that lets you experience Kyoto, Japan. They also have big attractions like the Lying Buddha, which represents the historical Buddha during his last illness, about to enter the Nirvana. A viewing deck can also be accessed to gaze at the breathtaking view of the mountains and the sky. Next stop, the Temple of Leia. Temple of Leia is one of the top cultural and historical sites worth adding to your itinerary in Cebu City. Many call the temple the Taj Mahal of Cebu because it is also a mausoleum for a great love that never ends even after death. Teodorico Soriano Adarna had the Temple of Leia built for his late wife, Leia Albino Adarna. Their marriage lasted for more than 5 decades. Teodorico and Leia are the grandparents of Ellen Adarna, a famous actress in the Philippines. This is located in Barangay Busay. The Temple of Leia began construction in 2012. There are around 24 different chambers in the complex. This contains a library, art gallery, bar, and museum, just to name a few. You will also see statues of lions and angels and gladiators as you explore. You will see stone steps that lead to the portico and then the 10-foot high statue of Leia found near the lobby. Best time to visit? Temple of Leia is an all year round attraction. Even though it's an indoor attraction, it is best visited during Cebu's dry season from December to May. Tayo guys.
Taoist Temple.
Nasaan tayo, Dos? Taoist Temple. Ang Taoist Temple ay libre nyo lang mapupuntahan dito.
Touch the turtle. Daddy want to touch the turtle.
What can you say, guys? Okay, be careful with our step. Hello?
Free to go here.
Yeah, Philippine Taoism.
Come here.
It's free. And come over and visit this place. Okay? Careful. And we're going home. Not really home.
Daddy, ganito gusto ko.
Oh,
Wala pa.
yan na. Exit. Next gala, Fort San Pedro.
Sa labas.
Founding of Cebu.
Daddy, tayo ka doon. Juanita.
Fort San Pedro is a military defense structure in Cebu. Built by the Spanish under the command of Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, the first governor of the Captaincy General of the Philippines. It is located in the area now called Plaza Independencia, in the pier area of the city. The original fort was made of wood and built after the arrival of Legazpi and his expedition. In the early 17th century, a stone fort was built to repel Muslim raiders. Today's structure dates from 1738 and is the oldest triangular bastion fort in the country. It served as the nucleus of the first Spanish settlement in the Philippines. During the Philippine Revolution at the end of the 19th century, it was attacked and taken by Filipino revolutionaries who used it as a stronghold. This is the Magellan Cross Pavilion. It's a stone kiosk in Cebu City, Philippines. The structure is situated on Plaza Sugbo beside the Basilica del Santo Niño. Hindi, papasok na tayo dyan eh.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa?
Ikot pa tayo sa ano? Ikot pa tayo sa yung bagong SM. SM side.
Ano itong may ano na to?
Wow. Ito daw ay Cordoba ba yan?
Oh, Cordoba.
Cordoba.
Cesarix Cordoba to Cebu.
Grabe.
Tanggi, ano yun?
Bato.
Diesel yun, diesel.
This one is the city. South.
Tapos yung SM seaside
South
ng
Coast.
ano, basketball court,
SM
parang
Prime.
arena.
Galing. Pwede ng SM.
Ay, yung police andun sa taas, oh. Totoo ba yung tao? Natin kung hindi ka paano paganda yung Amin na lang dito sa
SM Seaside City.
magsasarili kami.
Ay, guys, ready na ba kayo? We are going to the Cordoba CCLX. Tama. And after all the gala guys, dinala kami ni Kuya sa CNT Lechon, the authentic lechon in Cebu. Sabi niya yun
Regular.
Kaya hali kayo, tikman natin. Lami. Ito daw ang pinakasikat dito.
Oo nga.
Lami, baby, lami. At itong Bam-E version.
Mami,
Sarap.
Mami, pwede ba sa akin yung Sprite?
Hindi po, wag po mag-soft drink.
Huwag lang na ako.
Mami, hindi pwede ikaw mag-stop drinks?
Wag na ikaw mag-soft drinks. Wag na.
No, ikaw? Mami,
Iinom lang ako.
hindi ng soft drinks?
Hindi po dapat.
No, ikaw? Si Mami,
Opo.
pwede ko ng soft drinks?
Pwede naman. Kaunti lang.
Hindi. Ako din, natitikman din ako.
Ang calamari. Dip.
Mali na ako. Ha?
Hindi po.
At pagsapit ng gabi, pwede nyo nang pasyalan naman ang 10,000 Roses. Hali kayo, ganda dito. Say hello. Say hello. Hello, hello.
Sila. Hi!
Hi.
Ay, yes, sila.
Mami, hello.
Grabe ka lang. Ay, sila dalawa pala nila. Ako, picture. Ay, may isa ka ba? Ay, meron akong mic.
Let's go. Sorry. We are at the 10,000 Roses. Ikot tayo, ikot.
Sige, sige. Sabay-sabay tayo.
Ay, ako nito. Yan si Kuya, ang aming magaling na tour guide. Siya na rin ang mag-atid sa inyo kung saan dito sa Cebu City Tour. Comment down below, yung description, nandun yung contact number ni Kuya. At dito na nagtatapos sa aming whole day gala. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Alam na yon!